And best practices are not that whatever we present is the ultimate best practice, but it's more best context practices. What is it that is behind anyone's system in your business? And today we want to talk about systems, the number one system in your business that will actually drive the very thing we want, why we're in this business is, cash flow, profits and that. And there's a lot of systems that need to be in place that let you know what to sell. But then when it comes down to it, most shops fall short of how do I express that? How do I create the value of that? I like what Jim Rohn said. It's a banner on our website too, and I might butcher it here, but he said that it's not up to you to sell the labor in the hour. It's up to you to sell the value of the hour. And when you get to the point where you understand the value expression of your shop, from your culture, from your belief systems, from your understanding of really what's best for the vehicle, the customer, and all the other things that go into that, you have a chance to come from a place of passion versus a logical, hey, this is a sales formula. This is a workflow formula. This is a tried and true proven system. I saw this very successful shop over here and I copied their system, but I'm still not successful with it. And what I want to have these best practices is I want to do what I'm now languaging, lead with context, follow with content. And most shops are real heavy into content, the mechanism, the tried and true proven mousetrap. Everybody's always, out of the 60s was everybody's looking for a better mousetrap. I mean, I don't know if we had rodent out of control where that happened, where they came up with that phrase, but and that. So I'm going to share a quick PowerPoint, and then I'm going to share a couple other things, and then we're going to go into some dialogue of what you guys have seen that has worked for you and tried and true and proven in that. So